Our friends, here we continue the discussion about the complement of the set, right? Now we start the De Morgan's law remaining in complement set, right? Okay, look this De Morgan's law. First one, A union B whole dash, complement of union equal to in A dash intersect B dash. And second one is the complement of intersection equal to A dash union B dash. Now look this De Morgan's law, we give the example. Yeah. Suppose universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A equal to suppose A equal to 1, 3 and 5. What about say complement of A, sir, 2 and 4 and set B equal to suppose 1, 2, 4. Complement of B equal to 1, 2, 4 cancel. So answer 3, 5. Now our De Morgan's law, most important, first law A union B whole dash and second law A intersect B whole dash. Okay, now we give the individual complement in both the set, but in a bracket here union we take the here integration and here integrate intersection we take here union. Now verify these two set here De Morgan's law. First we take A union B. What about the element of A union B? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called universal set. Now a complement of A union B. Cancel all the elements. Answer null set. Right? Okay. Here A union B whole dash V LHS. Now RHS is A dash intersection B dash. Now A dash intersect B dash. What about say A dash intersect B dash? Which elements are common in this two set? No common. So again answer null set. Look here, first law verified. Okay. Now we discuss the second law. So first we take the intersect A intersect B. Now A intersect B. Which elements common in A and B? Only one. Now complement of A intersect B in universal set, cut 1. Subtract the 1. So remaining elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? In second law, complement of A intersect B here LHS. Now RHS is A dash union B dash. Check here. A dash union B dash. Look here, A dash and B dash. Take the union. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that clear, student? Look, these two results are equal. So second law also verified. Is that clear? Now we explain the Venn diagram of De Morgan's law. Look here, we draw the Venn diagrams. So look this student here. Universal set. Here A, B, set A, B. This portion is called A union B, right? Okay. This portion is called A union B. Okay. Now all the remaining parts here, this portion is called complement of A union B. It is called A union B. Okay. A union B whole dash. Right? Now our first law is what? Sir, A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersect B dash. Okay, now LHS A union B whole dash. Now we verify A dash intersect B dash. Okay, now we draw the Venn diagram. Look this here, figure. Universal set. This set is called A set of A. Now first we draw the complement of A. Which portion complement of A is? All this remaining portion. All this here remaining portion of set A. All are portion called A dash. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now we draw the set B. Yes. Okay, set B. Now draw the set complement of B. This one portion is called complement of B. Complement of B. Remember, student. Yes. Right now, which portion, which line here? Look, black and blue line common portion is outside both the circle. Blue line and black line are the common in outside the both the circle. So it is called A dash intersect B dash. Look this both the figure. Both the figure are equal figure. Both the figure are equal. Clear, student? So here we also verify the Venn diagram De Morgan's law. Now second law also verify here. A intersect B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. Now here we draw the first LHS Venn diagram. A union B, universal set. First we draw the A intersect B portion. A, B. A intersect B is here, this portion. But we take the complement. We take the complement of A intersect B. So which portion is here? A intersect B complement. All this remaining part. Right? Okay. A intersect B complement here. This portion is called A intersect B complement. Okay. A intersect B complement. Now right side A dash union B dash. Here the universal set. First we draw the set A. What about say A dash? What about say A dash? Look this student here. All the portion is called A dash. Complement of A. Is that clear? Okay. Now we draw the circle B. Here the portion B. Now draw the complement of B portion. Look here. This portion is called complement of B. Complement of B. Now take all the elements of complement of A and complement of B. Look this union. A dash union B dash. Look here, this figure is not included. This portion is not included. Otherwise, all the elements containing A union B. Look, this both the figure are equal. Clear? So second law also verify by Venn diagram. Now look, this our question also, I think. Look exercise number 1.5. I think one question. Look this question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Now look this question, first and second question. Look this first and second question. A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. We draw the first law here. And both figure are equal. And third and fourth question. A intersect B whole dash equal to A dash in union B dash. So third and fourth figure are also equal. Is that clear, student? Okay, so we already discussed this question. Question number 5. Okay, now before exercise 1.5, any question remaining example? Yes, example number 22, I think remaining. Because here we discussed this one, De Morgan's law. Right? Look, example number 22. Universal set equal to 1 to 6, A equal to 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5. First we take complement of A. First we take complement of A. 2, 3 cancel in universal set. 1, 4, 5, 6. And complement of B. 3, 4, 5 cancel. So 1, 2, 6. Now verify this law. Verify this law. First we take A union B, sir. A union B is what? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take the complement. A union B complement. 2, 3, 4, 5 cancel. So only 1 and 6 remaining. So LHS is 1 and 6. Now right side A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersect B dash. Which of the element common in this two set? 1 is the common, sir. 2, 6 also common. So answer is 1 and 6. Now look this two result equal. You can also second one also verify. Second law also verify. First we look this here second law. De Morgan's. First we find A intersect B, student. A intersect B. Which elements common? Sir, 3 common. Yes. Now complement of A intersect B. Complement of A intersect B. Which elements are present? Which elements A intersect B? 3. So 3 cancel in universal set. So 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Right? A intersect B hold as LHS. Now RHS is A dash union B dash. RHS A dash union B dash. We take the union. A dash union B dash. A dash and B dash is here. Take the union. Write all the elements. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Look this result. Both the results are equal. So second law also verifies, student. Clear? Okay, now continue the exercise number 1.5. Okay, question 1. First, second completed, fifth completed, sixth also completed, but third and fourth are remaining. First, we discuss the third. Look this question. U equal universal set 1, 2, 9, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. First, we find A union C hold as. So first, we take A union C. Write A union C. 1, 2, 3, 4. C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 already done it. So only 5, 6. Now complement of A union C hold as. That means complement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cancel. So remaining elements 7, 8 and 9. Is that clear, student? Now A union B hold as. So first we find A union B. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now complement of A union B hold as. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and cancel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining. 6 cancel, 7 remaining. 8 cancel, only 9 remaining. So complement of A union B equal to answer is 5, 7, 9. Do you understood, student? Okay, done it. Now question 2 completed, 3 completed. Now we discuss the question number 4. Universal set 1 to 9, A 2, 4, 6, 8, B 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify both the laws. Okay, so here we calculate here. First we find A dash and second B dash. What about say A dash 2, 4, 6, 8 cancels, sir. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And B dash is 2, 3, 5, 7 cancel. So 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here. So 4. 5 is here. So 6, 7 is here. 8, 9. Okay, done it. Now first law. A union B. First we take the A union B. Write all the elements of A union B. What about the element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now complement of A union B. 2 to 8 cancel. So only the remaining elements 1, 9, sir. So first law A union B hold as. Now RHS is A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersect B dash. Look this A dash and B dash. Which elements common? 1 common, sir. Yes, and 9 also common. So answer is 1 and 9. Look, this both are equal. So first law verify. You can also second law verify. So first A intersect B. What about the element common? A and B 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 7. Only, sir, 2 is the common element. Now complement of A intersection B. So 2 cancel in universal set. So 1, 3, 2, 9. Right? This is second law LHS. Now RHS. A dash union B dash. We write here A dash union B dash. Write all the elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these two results are equal. So second law also verifies, student. Clear, student? Do you understood? Okay. Last question number 6 remaining here, student. Let U be the set of all triangle in a plane. Here we draw the triangles. Look here. First we draw the equilateral triangle. Second we draw the right angle triangle. In this two angle are 45 and 45. Again we draw the right angle triangle. Suppose here, but here the angle 30 degree and here the angle 60 degree. Is that clear, student? Okay, and another triangle we draw here. More than angle 90, we draw right here 100. Suppose here 30 and here the angle is 50. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now look this question here. Look this question. Let U be the set of all triangle we draw in a plane. Okay. If A is the set of all triangle with at least one. What's the meaning of at least one? At least one, that means, suppose give an example, I have at least 5 rupees. What's the meaning of this? So that means in my pocket minimum 5 rupees is compulsory. Minimum 5 rupees. Otherwise more than 5 rupees is possible, but not less than 5 rupees is possible. At least, that means more than possible, but less than is not possible. That means here our question with at least one angle. In a triangle, total 3 angles are given. So at least one angle is different from 60. At least, that means one angle is different from 60. Otherwise, 2 angles are different from 60. Otherwise, all the angles are different from 60. We take in a set A. We take in a set A. Remember, if A is the set of all triangle with at least one angle, that means one angle is different from 60. Otherwise, that means not 60. Less than 60 or more than 60 possible, right? That means one angle is different from 60. Otherwise, two angle is different from 60. Otherwise, all the angles are different from 60. We take the set A, right? So what about, say, complement of A dash? Remember, think about this question. A, so A dash is, sir, all the angles are 60. All the angles are 60 because our question is what? One angle different from 60, two angle different from 60. Otherwise, all these three angles are different from 60. So its complement is what? All the angles are 60, right? So our complement, this answer A dash equal to equiangular, set of all equiangular triangles. Otherwise, set of all equilateral triangles. Is that clear? It is our complement of A. So student, here complete the topic of complement of set. Now in next lecture we start the practical problem in union and intersect of two set. Is that clear, student? So here complete the lecture. Thank you very much.